Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Crazy Tech Video, and in this video I have 11 amazing tips and tricks and application for WhatsApp user which will give you a great experience of using your WhatsApp, and trust me, you will surely like it. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. The first application in my list is ChatStat for WhatsApp user. Yes, this is the interface of this application. This will give you the every detail of any WhatsApp chat immediately. Let me show you how. Simply just go to your WhatsApp, and here you have to select whose detail you want to know. So you have to select any one of them. Let's suppose if I select this one here, and then I have to click on these three lines which is on the right side of the top. Click on this more and then click on this export chat, and here you have to click on this without media, and then you will be getting some options on the bottom. Click on this chat stat option which is there. Click on this one, and immediately you will be getting all the detail of your WhatsApp chat. See this, how many messages you have sent, how many messages your friend has sent, how many emojis you have sent, what kind of emojis is being sent, what is the word which is being used most between you and your friend chat. Every single detail this application will give you within few seconds. And not only individual chat, you can also get these details of any WhatsApp group as well. So try this application. This is really amazing. Now let's talk about the second application, and the second application in my list is Pause.it. Yes, this application will come up like this. How this application is useful for you? Let's suppose you are very busy and you keep getting the messages on WhatsApp, but you won't able to turn off your internet. So that point of time, this application really helps you. Simply you have to click on this Pause.it, and then you have to click on this Activate and click on OK, and this application will get activate, and your WhatsApp, only your WhatsApp will get pause. That means no message will come up on your WhatsApp. There will be no internet on your WhatsApp. It will be paused. Other applications will work properly, internet will work properly, and when you are free and you are able to receive the messages, simply just turn it off, and then you will start getting the messages on your WhatsApp. So this application really helps you. If you are in an office or if you are in a meeting, anywhere, you can simply pause your WhatsApp and then turn it on whenever you are getting free. So try this application. This is also good for you. Let's talk about the third website. This is the website, not the application, and for that you have to go to the Google Chrome and look for a website whose name is create.wa.link. Yes, on this website you can able to create a link of your phone number. Yes, let's suppose you don't want to give your phone number to everyone. Simply you have to share a link of your phone number, and the moment your friend will click on that link, it will automatically reach to your WhatsApp and he can able to chat it without saving your number. You have to come on to this one here. You have to click on this create WhatsApp link. Here you have to enter your phone number. You can also add any message here like hi, how are you, something like that, and then you can also preview this one and then click on this generate my WA link, and it will automatically create a link for you which you can share it online. This one, see this is the link, or you will also get a QR code which you can also share it on WhatsApp, and the moment your friend will click on this one, they will reach on your WhatsApp without saving your number. So this trick is also really amazing for WhatsApp user. You should try this one as well. Now let's talk about the fourth application, and the fourth application name is Hide WhatsApp Chat Name. Yes, and this is the interface which you will be getting here. Simply you have to click on this customize here, and then you will be reaching on this page. Now let me tell you what exactly this will do for you. Most of the time when you are chatting with someone like this, and here anybody will try to see the name of that person to whom you are chatting, and if you are chatting with your girlfriend, with your client, they can easily come to know what exactly you are chatting with that person. But if you have this application with you, what exactly you can do here, you can create a fake name here. Let's suppose if I'm creating a fake name here like John, and then I can also select the size of that name. I can create a smaller or make it big, or I can type it here online typing, something like that, and then I come out of this one. After that I have to click on this start, and this application will give me a bubble icon on my screen. Simply just go back to your WhatsApp here. Now if you are chatting with someone, hi, hello, something like that, suddenly somebody try to see your WhatsApp chat, simply you have to click on this icon and your name will get changed. See this? On the top, your name will automatically get changed, and the other person will never come to know to whom you are chatting right now. See this? And when he goes, you can simply click on this one, it will automatically gone. So this application is really amazing. Link you will be getting in the description. Now let's talk about the trick. and that is really amazing, which you can use on your phone. Simply what exactly you need to do, you have to press this home button of your phone, hold it down, and then your Google Assistant will automatically open up. Here you have to say send message to Varun on WhatsApp.
Okay, what's the message?
And then this will be ready to send the message. Simply I have to say, hello, what are you doing?
So, that's a message to Varun saying, what are you doing? Ready to send it?
Yes.
Sending your message to Varun.
See this message is being sent. I did not open my WhatsApp. I did not do anything. With this trick, your last scene will also not get changed, and the other person will never come to know when you came online on WhatsApp as well. So try this trick with Google Assistant, sending messages through Google Assistant to anyone. Now the next application in my list is that is Font Emoji and Font Keyboards. Yes, this is an amazing application for WhatsApp user. This will change the way how you type. This will change the way how you send the messages. When you install this application and give some permission to this application and go to your WhatsApp and start chatting with anyone and open your keyboard, you will be getting some fonts on your keyboard straight away. See this? These all are the fonts which automatically get added when I start using this application. Let's suppose I want to send any message to anyone. Let's suppose like this, I say hi. So I have to select this font, and then I have to say like this, hello. Hello is being sent like this, hi is being sent like this, and then I can change this font again, this one, again I send the message hi. Every time when I send the message to anyone on WhatsApp, I can change the font and send it to them. And your friend will get surprised how you are changing the font every time when you send the message. This will be a really amazing experience to use the WhatsApp. So try this application as well. Link you will be getting in the description. Now the application number 7, and the application number 7 is also very useful for WhatsApp user, and the application name is Message Reader for WhatsApp. Yes, simply click on open and open this application and allow all the permission to this application. What exactly this application gonna do? With this application, you don't need to open your WhatsApp. You don't need to read all your WhatsApp messages. This application will speak all the messages whenever it comes onto your WhatsApp. Any message coming onto your WhatsApp, you don't need to open it. You can keep your phone anywhere and then it will read that for you automatically, and you don't need to open your WhatsApp. This is really amazing application. Let me show you how this will work for you.
Message from Varun, what are you doing?
See this? This is the message which I just received on my phone, and this application speak that for me. So in that way, any message coming onto your WhatsApp group, anywhere, this application will speak that for you, and that is really amazing. So try this application. Link you will be getting in the description. Now the next application in my list is also very important nowadays. The application name is that is Transparent Mode Real Transparent Screen. Yes, the moment you click on open, it will be come up like this. This is the interface. You have to click on this go, but you have to allow some permission as well to this application to activate. The moment you click on go, this application will make your screen totally transparent. See this? Right now my screen is totally transparent, and how this application can be useful for me in WhatsApp. I'm gonna open my WhatsApp here. I can able to see my screen from my WhatsApp as well. This application is very useful if you're walking and chatting somewhere and your total attention is on your WhatsApp on chat and you're chatting with your friend. You can able to do both the things with this application, because this will make your screen totally transparent. To make it turn it off, simply you have to go to this application icon, click on this one, and it will automatically turn it off. And to make it start, again open it and click on this go, and it will get started again. So this application is also useful. So try this application. Link you will be getting in the description. Now let's talk about the application number 10, and the application number 10 in my list is that is Recover Lost Phone Using Chat Messages. Yes, this is an amazing application. Simply click on open and open this application, and it will become up like this. Now what is the use of this application? Let's suppose you lost your phone. You're not finding your phone. You don't know where exactly is your phone, and if you have this application, you can simply send one message from your WhatsApp like siren1234, and when you send this message to your phone will budge a very big siren on your phone, and you will come to know where exactly your phone is. Not only this, when you go back to this application here, there are some kind of commands which you can also use on this application. See this? These all are the commands which are there. You can see this one. This is the location. This is the siren vibration. You can vibrate your phone. You can also know what is the battery right now in my phone. You can also turn on the torch in your phone any point of time just by sending one message. on your WhatsApp. Sometime this application also really amazing to find out your lost phone. If you lose your phone, this application can able to find your phone through WhatsApp just by sending one message. So this application you should have to have in your phone. Link you will be getting in the description. Now let's talk about the application number 11, and the application number 11 is my list is that is WhatsCrop. Yes, this is an amazing application. With this application you can able to set a big profile photo on your WhatsApp profile, because on WhatsApp profile you won't able to set a big profile photo. This is the big profile photo. Either I have to cut it from there, either I have to cut it from there, but I won't able to set this full photo. So what I need to do, I just have to go back to this application, and here I have to select a big photo. Now let's suppose if I select this one here, this photo automatically comes in there. I can able to adjust this one like this, and this photo will get set, and then I can set it on my profile photo. See this photo is automatically get set. So with this application you can set a big profile photo on your WhatsApp profile very easily without cutting it, without doing anything. It will automatically set it for you. You can try this application to set a big profile photo on your WhatsApp profile. Link you will be getting in the description. So these all are the applications which I have right now for all the WhatsApp user. I hope you like all of them, and your experience of using WhatsApp will be totally great. So try all these applications. Any question, simply comment below and we will surely get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.